So we just got the motor unloaded off the truck. We're going to be opening it here for you in a minute and finally reveal what engine we're actually going to use in the gum car build. So we just got the motor unloaded off the truck. We're going to be opening it here for you in a minute and finally reveal what engine we're actually going to use in the gum car build. Autohaus is actually the supplier for this motor and transmission. If you guys don't know about them, they're located in New Jersey. They are a Volkswagen Audi recycling specialist. If you want to check them out, it's autohausparts.com. So we're going to show you what we got. So this is how the motor came. It's actually packaged really well. Everything's been saran wrapped. It's boxed. It's on a nice crate. It's all packaged nice and dry. So we're going to open it up and show you what's inside. Up until this point, we have not released, me or James has told anybody what kind of motor we're going to put in this thing, so kind of wanted to keep it a secret. Tell what kind of motor it is yet? So this is the engine that Autohaus has sent to us. We're getting ready to reveal what it is. So those that have guessed that it was a 2.5 liter 07K motor, you guys were right. If you aren't familiar with this motor, this actually came in most commonly Volkswagen Golf, Rabbits, and Passats. For those actually that don't know, these cylinder heads share the same cylinder heads as a V10 Lamborghini Gallardo, which is pretty cool. So some of the parts are interchangeable, like the exhaust manifold and parts like that. This is not the same 2.5, or I'm sorry, this is not the same 5-cylinder as the earlier 5-cylinders that came in Audis. So this is a completely different design. It's direct injection, but it's okay. It's a fun motor by itself, but it's actually even more fun when you add a turbocharger. Along with the 2.5 liter motor, Autohaus has also sent us an O2J 5-speed transmission. This is a manual transmission. Basically comes on many Volkswagens, that are manual with 5-speed. It's very similar to the O2A. The housing's a little bit different. The shifter box is a little bit different. That's used with it, but otherwise it's a pretty reliable transmission altogether. Included with the engine, Autohaus has also given us the engine harness, the matching ECU, which we will have United Motorsports tune that for us. As for the wiring harness, it's got the fuse box and a bunch of unnecessary items on this thing, so we will actually condense this all down. Dave Wright from TDC/Eurowise will actually be doing the wiring harness modification for us, so it'll be a real simple condensed down harness that gets rid of all the accessories and stuff that we don't need.